If you're still pondering your autumn and winter fashion choices, you've come to the right place. Step 1. Basic requirements. Before we get into the details, let's lay down the fundamentals of old money style for the colder seasons. Minimalism is key. Old money style is all about understanding elegance. Stay clear of clothing with large, obnoxious logos or flashy designs. Keep it simple and sophisticated. Fit matters. Remember, the fit of the clothing is essential. Make sure that your clothing complements your body shape so that it's not too baggy or too tight. Nature's palette. When it comes to colors, think of the shades you'd find in nature during fall and winter. Some more earthy tones like warm browns, deep blues, and classic neutrals are your go-to options. Alright, let's dive into some more detail. Step 2. Tops. Let's build your old money wardrobe, starting with your upper body. Turtlenecks are a must-have. Go for a more classic colors like beige, black, and white. You can even pair them with your scarf for a unique look. Long sleeve t-shirts and simple shirts. These are versatile and essential for layering. Look for warm materials like wool or cashmere. Basic t-shirts are the staple and foundation of your fit. These will take your outfits to the next level. Now for overlayers. Fleece jackets. The transient choice for staying warm. Pick ones made of thinner materials to maintain the elegance of the old money style. Overcoats. Perfect for the season. If you're under 6 feet, look for overcoats that go above your knees for a classic look. If you're not a short king, then you can rock whatever you like. Jackets. Go for simple designs and use the colors that are mentioned above for versatility and pairing. Not only do they keep you warm, but they add volume to your fits. Step 3. Pants. Your lower half should complement the upper. High-waisted pants with an Italian flair bring a dash of elegance to your overall appearance. Just make sure they fit perfectly, not overly loose or overly snug. Whether you are going on a date if you have that riz, or just going out with the boys, these are perfect for polished appearances. Finally, step 4. Shoes. These are the foundation of your outfit. Your shoes, your crepes, your trainers. Chelsea boots. These are a top choice if you want that top-notch old money style. Go for Chelsea boots with zippers on the side. These boots can be used in both formal and casual settings. Again, if you're with your girl or a family at dinner, they'll work just fine. Sneakers. Essential for any style. Some great options are the Jordan 1 Lows, Dunks, or New Balance 550s. New Balance has a lot to offer. Step 5. Watches. My favorite section. Accessories make a big difference in the old money style, and a classic watch is a must. Classic watches. Opt for watches with either a metal strap or a leather strap. Don't go for brands like MVNT or luxury brands like Gucci or Fossil because you think it's a flex, but oftentimes these are cheap watches and you're paying for the brand name. Go for options like Casio, World Time, Retro Classic, or Seiko. If you have a bigger budget, the Casio MTP 1314L 8AVDF is a cheaper option if you want a leather strap. For step 6, we have something a bit more unique, cologne. Having a signature scent is an essential. Choose fragrances with an eau de parfum concentration for a long-lasting and captivating scent. They are sometimes a bit more expensive, but they'll last for years. Warm and moderate. In fall and winter, choose warm or moderate fragrances. Avoid overly cool scents. Here's some colognes I recommend. Victor Rolf Spice Bomb, which is extreme. Jean Paul Gaultier, Le Mal, and I know it's common, but it's a great everyday scent, Dior Sauvage. Now before we end this video off, here are some additional tips that you need to know. Remember that quality is key. You don't have to transform your entire wardrobe at once, but make sure to do it over time. Invest in quality pieces that align with classic styles and watch your wardrobe evolve. If you're strapped for a budget, that's okay. Visit some high-end thrift stores. They often have great choices. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and remember kings, stay classy.